I want to remind you how to post onto your Padlet walls. The first thing you look for is you look over there for the pink plus. When you click on that pink plus, then up in that corner over there, right over here, you'll see the box where you're going to post. So under title, I suggest that you put your name. And if you're doing something in Spanish, you might do something here. I'm not doing something in Spanish. So if I'm going to add a picture, I'm going to click on those three dots right there. And I'm going to choose the upload because I have a picture on my computer I want to post up there. So again, look up for the pick file, click on pick file. You have to remember where you saved your file. I remember I saved it here, and I remember the name was igram. So it's in my Instagram files, and I'm going to choose I want to choose this one. Nope. So I double click on it. I wait over here, just wait for it, there it is. I do call this one the blue sky quilt, number 1. And then I'm done, and I wait for the teacher to approve it. Now if you decide you don't like that one, X out of the picture, click on it again, upload, look for the pink button over there, pick file, and choose another image. Just make sure that you remember what your image was called and where you saved it. Actually, I like that one. Uploading, and there you go. I wait for my teacher to approve it. Thank you.